Hello, and welcome to Fireguard U. Today, we'll be talking about fire alarm events and priorities, as they will appear on your fire alarm control panel. Most important, of course, is the fire event. The fire event will be indicated on your control panel by a red LED, and it is the highest priority, indicating a life safety hazard event. It activates the building evacuation signals and directly or indirectly notifies the fire department and responsible building personnel. Common examples of fire devices are a manual pull station, a smoke detector or sensor, a heat detector or sensor, the water flow switch. It reacts to a flow of water in the fire sprinkler pipes following a sprinkler head activation. The second category of event on your fire alarm panel is a supervisory. It will be indicated by a yellow LED on the fire alarm panel with the label supervisory. It's the second highest priority, indicating a possible impairment to the effective operation of the fire detection or suppression system. It activates the panel annunciator and sounders only. Common examples of supervisory devices or events are a duct detector. It reacts to a high concentration of airborne particles. Carbon monoxide detector reacts to high levels of carbon monoxide. A sprinkler valve tamper switch. It reacts when a fire sprinkler system valve begins to close. A low air switch on the fire sprinkler system. Also, fire pump off normal conditions will trigger supervisories. This could be a loss of power, a phase reversal, or a fire pump running. The third category of events, and the lowest priority, is the trouble. The trouble is indicated by a yellow LED on the fire alarm panel, also with the label of trouble. Common trouble events are electrical faults, such as an earth ground or an open or short circuit. Device communication failure, if your system is addressable. Dirty smoke detector. Power failure, either the primary system power or the backup system, which usually consists of batteries. Failure of the automatic remote monitoring system, or a fire alarm system internal malfunction or failure. These are by no means all of the events that could trigger these, but this should give you an idea of the priority and how to react to them. We hope to see you next time at Fireguard U.